On today's episode, we're going to unbox a little ray of sunshine. Ooh, that's hot. Hello, I'm Aaron from Richer Sounds, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Sonos Ray soundbar. Sonos offer wireless multi-room audio solutions for your music, TV and movies, allowing you to control your audio however and wherever you want via the free Sonos app. In recent years, Sonos have produced soundbars like the Arc and the Beam, which both offer Dolby Atmos audio. So what's so different about their latest offering? Let's dive in and take a look. Got that accessories box there, which we'll take a look at in just a moment. Really simple packaging as well, gives you that kind of eco-friendly feel to it. You've got your power cable there with a standard figure 8 connector. Then you've got your instruction manuals. Like I said, the app will guide you through the setup process, but it's all written down there as well if you want to do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, and they give you an optical cable as well, that's nice. The soundbar itself comes wrapped up in this protective black cloth just to keep it free of fingerprints and scratches. Sonos offer a very simple plug and play solution with most of their products. So in the case of the soundbars, once you've connected them to power, all you have to do is connect them to the TV. Then when you open the app and allow it to connect to your Wi-Fi, it will actually guide you through the rest of the setup process for the soundbar. So looking at the back of the Ray there, you've got the Ethernet connector if you want to hardwire it into your home internet. You've got the optical digital connector for your audio. There's also the standard power connector. And you've got Sonos' sync button, which helps you connect it to the app later on. On the top there, you've got your touch-sensitive play-pause button, and then the buttons either side of the volume control. So no Dolby Atmos on this soundbar, but you still get Dolby audio, so the sound quality is still fantastic. They haven't skimped on quality though. Even though this is their cheapest soundbar, it's still got a real premium feel to it. And there we have it, the Sonos Ray soundbar. The Ray is a great option for anyone looking to dip their toe into the world of Sonos, or maybe people with smaller living rooms or bedrooms that they want to put a soundbar in but don't have the space. If you'd like to give the Ray a try, or any of the other Sonos soundbars, why not pop into your local Richer Sound store today for a demo. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this video with all your friends. Thank you for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.